Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a simple Visual Basic .NET application in Visual Studio 2015. To add two numbers using labels, text boxes, and display the result. First is open Visual Studio 2015. Click New Project. Then choose this one, Windows Forms application. Then you can also rename your project. Sample by naming this one tutorial program. Then this is the location. You can actually change the location by clicking this browse button. So once you have done, you can click the button OK. So as you can see, we have a default form called form 1. So our next target is we are going to design a form. Drag a label from toolbox from the left side, toolbox category. You can search label. Okay, we are going to drag two labels. For enter first number and enter second number. So just hold the left click of your mouse, this one, then go back to the toolbox again and then click this one. So we have two labels, and then we can also drag another UI controls or components, which we call text box. So just type text box, then this one, drag. We can copy this text box, right click, copy, and right click, paste. So to change the caption of this label 1, we can actually change this one with the property window. So click, highlight, and then locate text. So we can change this one into enter first number. So adjust, and then same process with label 2, enter second number, adjust again, and then we can change the font color, I mean the font color, using the font color, and then the font style you can change to bold, then you can change any font style here. Click OK. So adjust, same process, bold, click OK. So we're going to adjust. So this one. So this time we are going to drag another UI controls or components from the toolbox called button. So we can this one, button, drag. So we are going to change this text or caption from, again, properties window. So click and then go to properties window, change this one to add. And then part of good programming practice, we are going to change this variable of this UI components or controls by changing the variable name. This is part of good programming practice. Since this is text box, we are going to change the name. So we are going to put prefix. Since this is text box, we are going to put prefix txt. This indicates that this controls is a text box, txt num1. So text box handles user input. So therefore, since the name of this control is txt num1, it indicates that this is a text box. So same process, we are going to change the name of this one txt num2. And this one, since this is button, we're going to change this one into btn add. And this time we are going to put a codes. So by this one, this button is handled when click, it will be triggered, and all the codes under this one, this button will be executed. So double click. So our event is click. Once it will be click the user, it will be all the codes will be executed here. So let us put a codes in this one. So first thing is we are going to declare a variable. To declare a variable, the syntax is dim. So dim is used to declare a variable. So dim num1, a variable as double. So as you can see, this is syntax error. So it needs space, and then another variable to handle the second number, dim num2 as double. Double is double data type. This is a data type double, and then for the result as double. This variable handles the value of txt num1, and then this variable handles the value of txt num2, and then this variable handles the result or the addition or the total of this num1 plus num2. So when we run this program, the default data type of this one is string. Since we are going to add two numbers, we are going to convert string into numbers. So by using the val function. So how to do it? So first is we are going to assign num1 to handle the value of txt num1. So txt num1, then dot text function. Since as I have said a while ago that the default value of this one is string, we are going to convert string into a number. So by using the val function. So we are going to put val function. So val, then open and close parentheses. Inside of that is the value of txt num1.text. So whatever the value inputted here by the user, as long as it is a number, it will be converted into a number using val. So when the user input, try to run this program, when the user input 12, 12 is not a number, but string. As I mentioned earlier that the default data type of this one is string. So that is why, to make sure, we are going to utilize val function. No, returns the numbers contained in the string as numeric value of appropriate type. So same process, we are going to assign num2 to handle the value of this one. So our variable name is txt num2. So val, then the value of txt num2. So one click that text. And then since already assigned these variables num1 and num2, that is the time that we are going to add. So result, so we are going to use result to handle the total, and then num1 plus num2. So we are going to display the result of this variable by using the MSG function. MSG function or message box function, this is a built-in in VB.NET function that shows a simple pop-up message box. So we are going to put information or inside the string, this one double quote, the total is, and then so therefore the total is colon, this is a string literal, meaning it is just a plain text that will appear in the message box. So to display the result, we are going to use this symbol, what we call ampersand. So ampersand is the string concatenation operator in VB.NET. Typically, it joins the text with the variable, any variable. In this case, we are using result, so therefore we are going to type result, and then we are going to run the program. So try 4 plus 7 equals, the total is 11. So this is how to create a program to add two numbers using VB.NET using Visual Studio 2015.